Nearly a third of South Korea's stock market gone in 1 week. The Kospi didn't drift. It fell off a cliff. Billions of dollars evaporated while the world watched the screens turn crimson. To understand why it happened so fast, you first have to understand what the South Korean market actually is. It is not a broad, diversified economy on the exchange. It is a handful of giants. Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, and a tight cluster of exporters make up a massive share of the entire index. When they sneeze, the country catches pneumonia. Add 2 more ingredients. Huge foreign ownership means money that can leave in milliseconds, and a currency, the won, that moves like a highly volatile risk asset. August 2026 simply pulled the trigger. The spark was a double shock. First, the AI infrastructure boom hit a wall. Cloud providers and hyperscalers suddenly slashed orders. The world discovered it had far more memory and logic chips in warehouses than anyone wanted. Korean giants, the champions of that boom, were sitting on the glut. Within days, Washington tightened another round of tech export rules aimed at China. Korean supply chains, deeply entangled with both sides, took a direct hit. Earnings forecasts didn't just miss, they imploded. Foreign funds did what foreign funds do. They sold. Algorithms saw the volume and sold more. The won slid as well, forcing local institutions and leveraged players to dump equities to cover currency losses. Every tick lower triggered the next wave. Circuit breakers bought mere minutes until the slaughter continued. Retail investors who had leveraged on the way up faced margin calls on the way down. Derivatives supercharged every move. What might have been a painful but orderly correction became a self-reinforcing panic in under a week. This was not pure bad luck. It was architecture. Extreme concentration in a few export names, heavy reliance on hot foreign capital, and an economy that lives or dies by global tech cycles. When the cycle snapped and geopolitics kicked the door in, there was nothing underneath to catch the fall.